Hello my sophisticated darlings, welcome back. Today we're doing the ultimate professional soft glam. I want to create a look that feels both powerful and undeniably pretty. Today's vision is elevated femininity. We're moving away from the clean girl era and leaning into a sophisticated high glam look. Today we're creating stunning soft glam look that's perfect for date night or any special events. If you want a skin that looks flawless and eyes that pop, keep on watching. We have seen the trends, but today we're doing it with a professional touch. Stop choosing between skincare and makeup. This primer is ultimate hybrid. To achieve that beautiful smoothness, we're going in with the Swiss Beauty Select High On Moisture Primer to make sure our makeup lasts and looks super hydrating all day. This packed with hyaluronic acid, so it literally is quenching my skin's thirst while I prep. Just look at this texture, it's so lightweight and super hydrating. Press it into the areas where you have the texture and where your skin tends to dry. Don't rub it, just press it into the pores. Can we appreciate this glow? My skin looks plump, hydrated and totally ready for the day. I love this instant glow. Ready for a natural dewy finish that actually stays put? Let's dive in. Ready to meet your new skin obsession? This is literally game changer. Swiss Beauty Select Game Changer Serum Foundation. I'm using the shade 03 Sand Beige, one of the 8 curated shades specially designed for Indian skin tones. It's a triple power skin perfector enriched with hyaluronic acid for deep hydration. To blend this foundation, I'm gonna use Swiss Beauty Blender for that airbrushed look. I'm taking 2-3 pumps on my brush and gonna dot it all over on my face. And now I'm gonna blend out with a beauty blender. I love that it's buildable and breathable. The best part, it's oil-free and non-comedogenic and both sweat and humidity resistant, so it's perfect for long day. The texture is incredibly lightweight and seamless, giving a natural dewy finish that actually looks like a skin. If you're looking for something that actually performs, this is it. It's lightweight, it's hydrating, the Swiss Beauty Select High On Liquid Concealer. As you can see, the wand is massive, so little goes a long way. I'm just dotting it where I need it. It's enriched with vitamin E, so it feels super lightweight. Lighter shade to highlight and deeper one to contour, it's multiple use powerhouse. Look at that blend, it's ultra blendable and gives no crease finish that literally lasts all day. Time for the ultimate matte finish. To lock everything in a place, I'm using the Swiss Beauty Ultra Fine Loose Finishing Powder and I'm using the shade 02 Banana. It comes with a powder puff and a mirror for a smooth hassle-free application. This is a mineral-based powder that's amazing at controlling oil and shine for that perfect matte finish. Just applying under my eyes where I put the concealer and little bit around my mouth and nose. Plus, it's water resistant and long lasting, so your makeup is not going anywhere. Now for the rest of my face and eyes, I'm gonna use all my Swiss Beauty brushes. For the eyes, I'm diving into Swiss Beauty Select 12 Eyeshadow Palette and I'm using the shade number 01 Slow Days. No fallout formula makes it so easy to work with even for beginners. I love how buildable and blendable the shades are for a seamless look. I'm starting with this lighter shade and I'm gonna apply all over my eyelids and under my lower lash lines. Now I'm taking this brown shade and applying on outer corners of my lids and also under my lower lash lines. Now I'm taking this dark brown shade and just applying on the crease and under my lower lash line. To finish this look, I'm using the Swiss Beauty Select Cushion Mousse Eyeshadows for that ultimate high shine finish. This is Swiss Beauty Cushion Mousse Eyeshadows. The texture is incredibly bouncy. If you're tired of glitter, glue and fallout ruining your base, you need to see this. And I'm using the shade 06 Electric Chroma and I'm just applying it with my fingers all over my lids. No brushes needed, just your fingertips for a high fashion multi-dimensional look. Now I'm using the shade Stargazer and applying on inner corners of my eyes. Now let's add some intensity with Swiss Beauty Select Single Swipe Kohl Kajal. This is 2-in-1 masterpiece. You can swipe for a sharp line or shade it out for a perfect your eye artistic. I'm just creating a very thin line following my upper lash lines. And then I'm just smudging out with a smudger. For more depth, you can apply on your waterlines. Whether you want a bold wing or smudge out liner, this pencil does it all. It's a total essential for adding that extra pop to any eye look. If you've been considering lash extensions, stop. You need to see this high-tech tubing technology first, the Swiss Beauty Select Game Changer Tubing Mascara. The instant lift is actually insane. Just one coat and lashes look long, feathery and perfect defined. It's a water resistant formula, so it will last all day. No heavy clumps here, just curl, defined and length and lashes that looks effortless. For face and cheeks, I'm using Swiss Beauty Select Lip and Cheek Cushion Mousse, a little scrumptious treat for your face. Stop choosing between a cream that slides off or a powder that looks cakey. This hybrid formula is best of both worlds. I'm using the shade 03 Elevate Pink and I'm gonna apply it with the Beauty Blender. Just tap onto the apple of your cheeks and blend upwards. See how this gives that lit from within flash? Look at this, it's so creamy, it's literally glides on. Now I'm gonna apply on my lips for matching monochromatic vibe. It's feather light and stay put for up to 12 hours. Now for highlight the face, today we're gonna use the Swiss Beauty Select Cushion Mousse highlighters. The first thing you will notice is this mushy addictive texture. It's so finely mild that you get all the radiance without any chunky texture. First, I'm using the shade 03 Champagne Glam. Just take a fluffy brush or even your fingertip works. Pearl particles literally melt into the skin. Now I'm using the shade 01 Pearl Glow and I'm just applying on my brow bones. Look at that halo-like soft glow. It's luminous. It's an absolutely still for this level of luminosity. I just love this glow. This is the final look. Everything feels so luminous. The lips giving candy-coated perfection and the skin is just glistening. It's that vibe, super sophisticated but so sweet and feminine. All product lists and links I will leave in description box below, so check out that, and you can use my coupon code Shanaya25 for 25% off on Swiss Beauty's official website, and it's also available on Amazon, Flipkart and Nykaa. And for more videos like this, don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe, and I will see you in next one. Bye sweethearts.